Hello and welcome to another Online Business Realm video. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and click the subscribe button to stay up to date with everything we have going on the channel. So we are continuing our series where we're showing you how to build a website from start to finish. So today we're going to be looking at the menus. So before we can create the menu, we have to create our pages. So we need to decide what pages we want. So we're going to go here to Add New. I currently don't have any pages on my website, so I'm going to need to create some. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a home page. So we're going to create that page. We're going to hit Publish. We are going to hit Add New. We're going to create an About Us page. Hit Publish. We're going to be creating 4 pages today. So we have our About Us. We are going to create a Services page. So come back to Add New. Now, notice we're not putting anything on the pages. All we're doing is we are creating the name of the page. And you can kind of think of this as a bookmark. So we're going to do Services, Publish. And make sure you're hitting Add New and you're not just deleting the name of this one. And then the last page we're going to do is Contact Us. Okay. We're going to hit Publish. So now we have all 4 of our pages that we want for this website done. So before we actually go to the menus, we're going to look at our site. This is what we've got done so far. We don't have anything on the home page. All this is just generic, came with a theme. And notice we don't have a menu at all. There's no menu. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go to the menu page by going to Appearance and then Menus. And we are going to create a new menu. So hit Create New Menu here. We're going to call this Main Menu. Hit Create Menu. Okay, now what we're going to want to do is we are going to want to choose our pages. So Contact Us, Services, About Us, Home. And we're going to click Add to Menu. And then we're going to choose the order. So we want the home page first. We want Contact Us last. And then what we're going to want to do is we're going to want this to be at the top of our page. So we're going to click Top Menu. Now, you can also do posts. We don't have any posts, but you can do a post page. You can do custom links, and you can do categories for your blog. So if you want to have a menu item that was not clickable, that had a drop down underneath it, what you would do is you would type, let's just say you wanted this to be a services. You would type services. This is what would appear on the menu. And for the URL, you would just put a hashtag here. And when you put a hashtag here, that means that this is not a clickable link. It will only be a drop-down menu. So like, let's say we added, let's just say we added contact. This is not a real page here right now. But let's say we added this here. So you can create these in hierarchical order. So now this is a drop-down menu. So if we saved this and went back to our page and refreshed it, we could hover over this and this would pop up. Now, if we wanted this to not be clickable, that's where you use that hashtag. So if you come over here and go to the custom links and type in hashtag and then services for the link and hit add to menu. Now let's get rid of this services page. Let's move this one up here. Move this over and hit save. Now when we refresh this and go to services, this is not clickable. If we click on services, it's just going to leave us right here at the home page. So now we can come down here and click this. Now what would this be useful for? This would be useful if you did not want, if you just wanted to highlight each individual page. Like I said, if you wanted interior painting, exterior painting, etc., you could do that and have each of those have their own page, but then this not be a page itself. So I hope that makes sense. It's a little complicated, but it's actually a pretty simple concept. So maybe I made it a little more complicated than it was supposed to be. But this is how you set up your menu. It's very easy on WordPress to set up your menus. You can also set up some menus in the footer. These all are actually controlled by the menu in this theme. So if we go back to our menu and we click the social links menu and hit select. These here are little icons, and you can just fill in your link and it would automatically match up to the icon. It's a pretty cool feature of this theme. So we just want this on the bottom, so we're going to leave this as it is on the social links menu. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to go back to our main menu. We're going to want to get rid of this right here because this is not the way we are going to set up our website, but I did want to show you how to do that. We're going to add our regular services page back in and put it second. So now we have our menu done. We'll just refresh this to go ahead and show you. And now we are ready to move on to the next thing. So the next thing we're going to be doing is we're going to actually be creating some of these pages. And we're going to be tweaking the home page and getting the home page to look like we want. So we're going to be changing these images out in the background, and then we'll go from there. So I hope this has been helpful. Hope you've learned how to use the menus. Please go ahead and like, share, comment, drop us any questions you have. We'd love to answer them. I'll make sure to get back with you ASAP. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And until next time, get out there and make some money.